Hello everyone, my name is Shine. Today I'll be reacting to Hotshot Ha Sungwoon with his solo debut, Bird. Obviously, if you know Sungwoon, he was in 101, and obviously 101 has now finished, and he's the second member of Hotshot to debut solo. So I'm pretty excited for this kiddo. Been following Hotshot for a while, so obviously produced 101 as well. So I'm pretty excited for this kiddo. So without further ado, this is Ha Sungwoon with Bird. Here we go. Please tell me that was cotton candy. Actual cotton candy, not actual cotton. Oh my goodness. This was, first of all, this was so freaking pretty. Second of all, this song definitely showcased Sungwoon's vocals. Sungwoon, man, I really liked him, especially in 101. I obviously didn't get a chance to see him. I didn't get a chance to listen to a lot of Hotshot's older songs, so I can't really gauge how much he has grown over the years, because obviously he has grown over the years. But man, dude, Hotshot's Sungwoon, man. Although I'm kind of peeved with his solo, mainly on the fact that he managed to get a fandom color before Hotshot did. But, you know, there's always a reason for that. Obviously, Ha Sungwoon was very popular at the moment, so it's better to, you know, have him quickly do that. But one random thought I had in my head was, if all the members went solo, and they all had their own individual colors. What if they combined all those colors into one for Hotshot's official stuff? Because that'd be genius. Throwing that out there. But I'm really excited for Sungwoon. Like I said, this song definitely showcases his vocals for sure. I never realized how high his vocals or his range is. Also, I am aware that he also featured a song, or Park Ji-hoon featured on one of his songs called "Don't Forget Me." I kind of want to react to it, but then I kind of don't. Mainly because I probably could only find like colored lyrics, and it'd be nice to see if there was a music video or something like that. But that's up in the air. Anyway, Hotshot Ha Sungwoon. And yes, I'm mentioning Hotshot because he is Hotshot. If y'all don't know, he is a part of Hotshot. And if y'all don't know, they went on both him and Taeyeon went on Produce 101 for Hotshot. Y'all should count how many times I say Hotshot in this video, because I'm gonna emphasize the fact that he is Hotshot. Because Akes can go screw themselves. Anyway, Sungwoon, man, really love the dude. Really, I already knew how talented he was just watching him and produce. I'm definitely gonna go back and watch some of the older Hotshot stuff just to hear his voice and see how much he's grown over the years. But it's really good to see him. I know Hotshot is coming back maybe June or July of this year. So I'm wondering if the rest of the members will have a solo as well, or if like after Sungwoon it's just like, because who else was on the survival program? Timo and Hojung were on survival programs. I forgot one of the other one wasn't on it, but yeah. I'm wondering if they'll get solos or if they're just gonna take a break from now, because Sungwoon's been running for a good long year and a half. So I'm wondering if he's just gonna get some extra break time, and then they're gonna come back full force in June or July. But regardless, I'm excited for Sungwoon. I'm excited for Hotshot's come back. Ready to see the full team again, and whatnot. So yeah, all in all, somebody put such a lovely, peaceful song from Sungwoon. Perfect debut because it obviously showcases his vocals, like I said. Really excited to see these promotion errors, and I'm also excited to see him reunite with Hotshot. Like I said, y'all should just count how many times I mentioned Hotshot, because this is Hotshot's Ha Sungwoon. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for this. Really excited for him. Really excited for Hotshot. Just excited in general to see how well these boys will do. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, like, subscribe, all the fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.